this video, I'll be showing you guys how to do a toddler's hairstyle or for any little girl. First off, I started by parting her hair in the middle and then parting it until her ear, and then the rest of the hair I pulled back into a ponytail. All you need for this hairstyle is a comb or a hairbrush. I used a pen to section out her hair because I couldn't find my sectioning comb, and then a ponytail and some elastics. After sectioning it all off, I made sure that it was even. Then brushing, making sure that she didn't have any tangles. Then I started parting her hair in small sections. After you part out the section, make sure you tie it with an elastic. I normally use 2 elastics because her hair is a little bit thick. Then you're going to continue parting other sections. Make sure they're about the same size. After parting it, make sure that you add the part that you just tied in an elastic onto that part. Just keep on adding the hair. Continue parting it until you reach to the end of the hair, and just continue adding on the hair and tying it. Okay guys, and this is the final look. And I ended up doing a half up ponytail. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hey guys.
Hi guys.
Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.